Hey guys, I'm Leon from the Lending Group. I've been a loan officer since 2002 and headquartered here in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, of course. I'm lending in New Jersey, lending in Pennsylvania, all over the states. We're not limited to any part of the state. Over the years, a large portion of our clientele, or my clientele, has always been the self-employed business owner, usually a small business owner, whether you're a contractor, a truck driver, or any other occupation that you may have. Getting a mortgage is not as straightforward when you're self-employed as it is when you are a W-2 wage earner. That does discourage some people that are self-employed from buying homes, and especially in the winter months, right? We're in 2022 now, so if you've already filed your 2021 tax returns, the numbers on there are pretty much final for our underwriting purposes. However, a lot of my clientele are visiting me in the winter months to plan, right? To plan and to understand what their accountant did with their tax write-offs, right? A lot of times this will include a three-way conversation with the client's accountant, so we can understand their tax liability, understand where their bottom line essentially needs to land for a new home purchase, right? So it's super important to prepare and plan. That's really what makes mortgages go easy. So I encourage all of you to please reach out. This doesn't cost you any money. Let's talk about it. Let's see what we could do. Let's see how we can prepare your tax returns for you to position yourself in a way that you can buy the home that you need, the home that you want, right? And this doesn't always include taking less deductions. It can just be a spin on your deduction. So this is why I always encourage for your tax preparer and or accountant to be involved in this conversation. So if you're self-employed, I would say the one biggest piece of advice I can give you is please get a draft of your tax return prepared and keep it in draft status until you find a home, right? Because once you file those returns, that's it. There's no going back. You cannot amend to qualify, right? For those of you that are tax preparers, you know what I'm talking about. You can't change your tax returns post-fact and qualify for a mortgage. Although the IRS does allow it, most underwriters don't. So definitely prepare a draft and get pre-approved with a draft. That is my number one piece of advice for those of you that are self-employed. So if you have more questions, if you want to talk more, if you want to set up a Zoom, or if you want to meet in my office, right, where the coffee, of course, is always free, feel free to reach out here at the Find My Way Home Network and or applywithleon.com. We'll definitely make time for you. Let's sit down. Let's talk. If you're not buying today, if you're buying next month, next year, it doesn't matter. I want to get to know you. I want to help you. I want to become part of your home buying process.